Hey, it's Ben. I've got this outdoor cat shelter the company sent over to me to check out. So let's open it up, put it together, and see what we think. So here is everything that comes in the box. The assembly is fairly quick. There are instructions that are pretty good. There are a couple parts missing. Uh, the first step is to insert the metal tubes into the sleeves on the bottom part here and attach them with the plastic corner pieces. There is one side with the Velcro strap that fastens around the end pole, and you may need to really push those poles tight into the corners just to get it to fit correctly. Once finished, the fabric will be nice and tight. Next, put in the short corner poles and the end pieces. The next steps are a little unclear in the directions, so what made sense to me was to put this cardboard piece with the reflective covering down inside the box. This gives the box rigidity, also insulates the bottom for the shelter. Next, you can put in the mat, and there are holes on either side to run the power cord through. There are Velcro straps to fasten the shelter to the base. Then there are straps on the side to fasten the roof to the shelter. If you're placing this on the ground, it does come with stakes you can use to secure the shelter to the ground. There is a carrying strap and also a handle on top of the roof. So those are two bonus features for transporting. The roof also can be completely sealed up with a zipper. Is a door on either side of the shelter with both an insulated flap and a screen. These can be rolled up and kept open using the Velcro square. This was a little harder to do at first. I figured it out that you had to just roll it really tightly to get the Velcro to match up. The doors also have zippers, so you can completely close it up. The heating pad is really soft, and the cover can be removed, so you can take it off to clean it. Overall, this is a really nice shelter. Um, it is strong, sturdy, it's portable, can be used inside and outside. It's a good size. Um, we put our cats in it, and they liked it okay, but they want to get in and out on their own terms. So um, it'll be a great shelter for your outside cat to stay warm during cold weather. Um, yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.